What's good, my peoples? Welcome to another episode of Harry's 9 to 5 Diet. And today we are making a blueberry and strawberry smoothie with Greek yogurt. Enjoy! In order to make this smoothie without no ice, your fruits need to already be frozen. As you can see, my strawberries and blueberries came out the freezer. All you have to do is add it to the cup, add your Greek yogurt, and add some water. Blend it up, and now you have the best tasting smoothie in the world. I guarantee it, you're gonna enjoy it. Look at this little baby. She's loving it right now. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, please turn on that notification alert, share this video with your friends and family. I'm out.